Happy Cinco de Mayo. It's Monday, May 5th. We took 10 trades today for 301 points on Dow YM Futures. This is our first trade this morning. This is pre-market. So we had a little bit of data. If you look over to the left where we entered, we started to go long. We're hitting VWAP. We're going to go ahead and move that break even, and it's going to get hit. First trade's a break even. Now we can see we tested that VWAP a little bit later here. We're coming through it and we're going long. We're trying to work our way up to pivot, which is that pink line above us. Let's make sure we move that stop loss up to protect the trade and make it risk-free. Now we're pre-market, so we're going to go ahead and just lock in 25 points here. We can see we're trying to break deviation 1 and the 61.8 and the pivot. That's this green line. We do have a lot of data, so we're going to go ahead and jump in this long. We got momentum, sentiment, and volatility in our favor. We're also going to protect that trade. As we start struggling around this second deviation band, this aqua line, we're going to lock in 57 points. Look to the left, that's where we locked in our previous trade. Now we came back down here and we tested our value area high. We're going to go long again through the pivot. Of course, we protect that trade so it's risk-free. There's a lot of sensitive price information right here with all of this pivot and all these interesting price points, so we got to break even out of this trade. We're going to try it again here. We still have that data intact. We tested VWAP one more time. We're coming back up through. Let's see if we can make it this time. Now we can see that we punched up through. I have a little trend line there. We got our tight stop loss. We're heading up towards that aqua line, which is deviation 2, and we're going to lock in 40 points. You can see that last trade we took, it actually made it all the way to deviation 3, that 76.4 area. We got this pullback right here. So we're going to run this long one more time because we still have all the data intact. Now we're doing what's called a ceiling trade here, where we're going to lock at that previous high area. We're going to lock in 59 points. Now we're trading a little bit longer today. We're working on some projects, so that's why we're taking a few more trades than normal. Still got really good long data. Look at that momentum, sentiment, and volatility. We're breaking this second deviation band here now. Now we're trying to hit yesterday's close or Friday's close. We're going to lock in 37 points. This is what I love about working with data. We can actually read our way into the market. We can see we're trying to break this deviation band again. We move that stop loss up to protect our trades so we can keep our equity and our psychology intact. Now it's a risk-free trade. Now we're hitting that deviation band, so we're going to move that stop loss up and trail a little bit tighter. And as you can see, it's going to get hit with plus 7 points. Now we're trading a little bit later than normal. I just got back from the gym. I'm watching the market and how it's behaving. This is noon, so this is a new 1 hour bar. And we're able to take advantage of that because our previous hour bar closed with incredibly strong data. As we get near this GAN level right here, we're going to go ahead and just lock in 41 points. This market has been consolidating. Now what's happening here is all the high time frame data has disintegrated from really strong to the long side. Now the short time frame data has actually looped over and is going to the short side. So we're able to take this breakout trade really incredibly fast. We're heading down towards that first deviation level. Now as we get stuck at this level right here, we're just going to make the choice to lock in 35 points and be done for the day. Hey, we had one more trade we squeezed in because that short data just kept rolling and growing and growing. So now we're heading down towards VWAP. This is towards the end of the day. This is our last trade. And you can see we quickly hit 35 points. So we ended with 336 points today.